Today we'll be doing pork tenderloin, and with the spices, it's some cinnamon, some salt, some white pepper, and some black pepper. The exact measurements are the equivalent of how big a piece of tenderloin is. I like to just pour some on and just coat both sides evenly, like so. After you season your meat, you can come outside and start your barbecue and pretty much just start it like this if you're having a charcoal barbie. How I would put it on your rack would be the fat side up, so when it melts, the fat can actually melt right into your meat. The wood chips I'm using are a mixture of hickory and maple. And the charcoal I'm using is coconut. For the temperature, I know it's kind of hard to see it. I would go no higher than 300 degrees until the internal temperature is at 165 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. If only YouTube had a smell-o-vision. After it has been on for a few hours, might as well check the internal temperature and smoke. If it's almost done like this, might as well just wait for a few more minutes and then put your barbecue sauce on. After you get your internal temperature to like roughly 175 degrees, I would take your barbecue sauce and brush it on. I would do both sides and sear it to get a really good crust on each side. To sear your meat, I would say no lower than at least 400 degrees on each side. Now that you seared one side, do the other side. Now that you seared both sides with barbecue sauce, wrap your meat up in some tin foil and let it rest for at least half an hour. And remember, kids, don't be silly, wrap your wrist. Now it's time to cut up your piece of meat. I don't know if this will show up, but as you can see, hopefully, there's a good smoke ring all on the outside. If you can't see this, it'll have a good thumbnail in the video and it'll point it out to you.